Eating celery every day for a week will make this happen. Celery is one of nature's most highly nutritious and versatile vegetables. It's packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that make your immune system stronger, while improving intracellular communication, plus repairing DNA damage due to toxins. Celery also has tons of vitamin E, pantothenic acid, niacin, phosphorus, iron, zinc, and selenium. The notable thing here is, if you eat celery regularly for a week, what will happen? 1. Male fertility. Celery has been found to improve male fertility and increase the count of sperm. A study found that celery extract can improve sperm quality in animals. To enjoy the male fertility benefits of celery, try incorporating it into your meals or juicing it. 2. Hydration. Celery's high water content can help keep the body hydrated. One study found that celery is an effective hydrating agent for athletes. To enjoy the hydrating benefits of celery, try adding it to smoothies or juicing it. 3. pH balance. Celery has an alkalizing effect on the body, which can help balance pH levels. To incorporate celery into your diet, try adding it to salads, soups, or stir-fries. For digestive health, celery contains dietary fiber, which can improve digestion and prevent constipation. To support digestive health, try adding celery to your meals or snacking on it raw. 5. Eye health. The vitamin A in celery can protect the cornea and promote eye health. To support eye health, try adding celery to your salads or as a snack with hummus or nut butter. 6. Heart health. Celery's low acidity can help prevent and treat heartburn and acid reflux. A study found that celery extract can also help lower blood pressure in animals. To promote heart health, try incorporating celery into your meals or juicing it. 7. Anti-inflammatory properties. Celery contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help fight chronic inflammation in the body. A study found that celery extract can help reduce inflammation in animals. To enjoy the anti-inflammatory benefits of celery, try adding it to your meals or snacking on it raw. 8. Weight management. Celery's high fiber content can help promote weight loss and weight management. To support weight management, try adding celery to your salads or smoothies. 9. Blood sugar and cholesterol. Celery's high content of phthalates may help lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels. A study found that celery extract can help lower cholesterol levels in animals. To enjoy the blood sugar and cholesterol lowering benefits of celery, try adding it to your meals or juicing it. 10. Gastritis and gastric ulcers. Celery's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce the risk of gastritis and gastric ulcers. To support gastric health, try incorporating celery into your meals or snacking on it raw. 11. Nervous system and sleep quality. Celery contains compounds that can soothe the nervous system and promote better sleep. To enjoy the nervous system and sleep benefits of celery, try incorporating it into your meals or juicing it. 12. Urinary tract infections. Celery's diuretic properties may help treat urinary tract infections. To enjoy the urinary tract benefits of celery, try incorporating it into your meals or snacking on it raw. 13. Dental health. Chewing celery can help clean the teeth like a natural dental floss. To promote dental health, try incorporating celery into your meals or snacking on it raw. 14. Aphrodisiac properties. Celery is high in male pheromones, which may act as a natural aphrodisiac. To enjoy the aphrodisiac benefits of celery, try incorporating it into your meals or juicing it. Incorporating celery into your diet can be a great way to boost your nutrient intake and support your overall health.
We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.